This is going to affect you at different levels. It's going to affect you now, and then once you're at a higher level, it's also going to affect you. The intention of all these videos is not to hit you with a ton of information so you feel good. The intention is for you to come to these videos, get some information, and then start applying it. So here are 5 bad habits to avoid in your 20s. Bad habit number 1 is being lazy. It is so easy in today's world to be lazy. You pull up your phone, you can order food straight to your door, you can order groceries, you can literally order anything that you want. Then, not only that, you don't even have to go traveling. You can just tune into Instagram and see the pyramids of Giza. You can go to Beijing. You can go all over the world from your phone. The world is designed for you to be lazy and just sit inside of your house, mindlessly scrolling on social media, giving your life force to all these different things, instead of using that life force to go out, such as what I do with Money Bag Declassified and all the different things that I show you guys, where I'm actually using my own life force to go out there and travel the world, meet all of you awesome people, and change lives. That is the first habit you need to throw in the trash. Bad habit number 2 is to avoid drama. You have to understand that most people are going through life as literally just empty vessels, and they're trying to find some sort of existence, some sort of light in life. They don't have anything actually going on in their life, so instead they want to sit there and tune in to Netflix to see what the latest drama is, tune in to some random BS TV show, or get on YouTube, or get on Instagram, or my least favorite is specifically targeted to men, and you hang out with your bros and you talk crap about other people. On and on and on, you talk and talk and talk. Versus, like me and my friends, when we sit down, we're not sitting there gossiping and doing all that stuff. We sit down and we talk about, okay, what is working on YouTube? What is working on Twitter? What's working on Instagram? Okay, what about email copywriting? What are we doing right now that's working the best for our clients? How can we get better open rates? We're actually taking our conversation, our energy that we're putting into that conversation, and finding out how we can help uplift and amplify each other. Now, pay attention to this, because this is something that's applying to literally 99% of you that are watching this, and that is to avoid hanging out with losers. This is something that was quite easy for me, because I was just always that person that liked to stick to myself, and I would have maybe 2-3 actual friends. So I didn't really suffer from this, but I've spoken to a lot of you, and you just allow losers around you. You think that you have to have all these friends, but if you get objective about it and you ask yourself, like, what do these people actually bring to the table? How are they making my life better? Hey, bro, come on, man. You've been working too hard. Come home. Let's play some video games. Let's watch that new show. You're spending all this time and energy talking to them, giving the energy to whatever they're doing. Are they excited about you winning, or are they sitting there talking crap behind your back? For some of you, this is going to be really hard, and I'm not telling you to just completely ghost them. You don't have to do that, but you need to start pulling your time away from that, because they are going to make you feel bad for how hard you work, especially whenever you haven't really figured things out yet. So you're still in that mode where you're working at your day job, you're going to school, or you're doing school and your job, and then you spend all of your other waking hours trying to figure out what to do next, and so they're going to easily distract you and pull you away. You definitely need to put some boundaries in place to keep them at bay. Another bad habit that you need to cut out now is to stop mindlessly scrolling. Now, I know you like going through my Instagram feed and going through all my tweets, but even that, you need to have a control behind what you're doing. You need to have intention behind what you're doing. You need to be using social media. Don't let social media use you. Because with mindlessly scrolling, your brain is tricking you that you are finding some golden piece of information that's just going to change your life. But if we're being honest, it's not that. You don't one day get on Twitter or get on Instagram and go, oh my God, my life is just drastically different. No, it's you get information such as what you're doing now, but then you apply it. And then that's where the transformation comes from. And number 5 is to avoid giving yourself a false reward. Right now, maybe you've been consistently hitting the gym, been consistently hitting your diet, and you give yourself a cheat meal and you go out and you eat like 10,000 calories, you eat some pizza, ice cream, whatever it is that you like, and all that work just goes down the drain. Or you finally make a little bit of money, and guess what happens? Now you go out and you blow it on a nice Rolex, or you go and blow it on something else. I want to add the context. I am one of those people where I just, oh yeah, let me spend here, let's go enjoy here, but I'm buying experiences, and I've also worked my butt off to get here to generate cash flow. Once you're at a position in life where you're earning good money, you still have to keep that self-discipline in the back of your mind. So even if you're really good at making money, if you're just sitting there mindlessly blowing it, it's not going to give you anything positive. Success in any shape or form, whether it's in freelancing, email copywriting, literally anything, diet, fitness, etc. It's long periods of suffering and hard work. So don't trick yourself out of getting the outcome that you've suffered so much for, because you try to reward yourself with this false reward. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and click right here. Otherwise, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.